Trainer, move to 11 radar, 10 left heading 350 to intercept localizer runway 32.
Left heading 350, the heading to intercept localizer runway 32, and up to 11.
Heading 350 set. Check.
to the bottom.
Checked.
Correct, sensing.
Perfect. Approach mode. Armed.
Establish localizer RS32, and number 211.
Trainer, move to 11 radar, cleared for ILS approach runway 3.
Clear ILS approach runway 32, and number 211.
Check.
2500.
Checked. Gear down. Flaps 15. Flaps 15 speed set.
Trainer, move to 11 radar, position 8 miles from westbound, contact tower 118.1.
Tower 181, good morning to you, number 211.
Good morning.
Checked. Flaps 30. Tower.
Trivandrum Tower, good morning, number 211, establish ILS 32.
Missed approach.
Trainer, 211 200, good morning. Beach cam, runway 32 cleared land.
Clear line runway 32, number 211.
Landing checklist, please.
Landing checklist. Engine side switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
On.
Landing gear.
Down.
Laps.
30 green light.
Landing checklist.
Thank you. To balance off. FD.
Check.
$1,000.
Check. Stabilize. Approach altitude 7.
Checked.
$500.
Check.
Checked.
Plus 100.
Approaching minimum.
Checked.
Minimums.
Continue.
Check.
Landing.
$100.
Checked.
50. 30. 20. 10. 5.
Speed brake up. Progress is normal.
Checked. I hardly hear you.
2, next is Papa 1.
And your brakes.
Check. The brake is on.
Could you speak louder, please? Or you put microphone here?
Okay. 60 knots.
Oh, much better.
211, vacate via Papa 1.
Papa 1 in number 211.
3,000 feet remaining.
Train number 211, taxi to stand 2 via Papa Delta.
Papa Delta.
Which stand number where Papa Delta number 211?
Stand number 25, 25.
25.
25, copy the number 211.
As of registration, confirm Alpha 4 Oscar Mike Delta.
I do come the number 211.
Thank you, good day.
Good day.
Shutdown checklist, please.
Good article, full console for the total has been set parking brake, set to this audio, hello, on the radar of 1 second. Very much.
Hello.
Traffic ground. Good morning, Captain.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir. I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir. Fine. Sir, chocks in position, sir.
Thank you. Brakes released.
Aircraft is good, sir.
She's beautiful, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Within the chocks on time, sir.
5-6.
5-6 copied, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning again. This is your captain speaker from the flight deck. Welcome to Trivandrum or Trivandrum. Welcome to India. The weather is nice, plus 30 degrees outside. At this moment, thanks for flying with me, and I wish you all the best. Have a very nice time and welcome back. Bye bye.